Ever wondered how you can build your own custom AI chatbot that actually answer your question? Look at this. I just asked my bot about the difference between a variable and an object, and it gave me a perfect instant response. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a dataset generated by Gemini, train a machine learning model, and deploy it as a professional web app. No complex code, no expensive APIs, just pure Python logic. Before we write a single line of logic, we need to talk about our data. For this project, you just need a simple CSV file with two columns, question and answer. Now, instead of hunting for a dataset online, I highly recommend using Google Gemini. Just ask it to generate a Q&A list for whatever topic you want, like Python basics, and save it as a CSV. It's the fastest way to get a custom clean data. Once your file is ready, we head to our IPYMB file, and yes, we import pandas as PD, which is the most important library for data handling. Think of it as a bridge that brings our Gemini generated question into the world of Python so our AI can start learning from it. Now that we have invited pandas to the party, it's time to load our data. We use pd.read_csv. This command tells Python to go grab that file we generated with Gemini and bring it into our script as a data frame, which we will call df. But how do we know if it worked? That's where cell number 3 comes in. By running df.head, we get a quick sneak peek at the first 5 rows of our dataset. It's likely checking your ingredients before you start cooking. We want to make sure our question and answer columns are lined up perfectly and ready for the AI to study. Before we continue, please subscribe to Suf Learning and hit the bell icon. It helps the channel to a lot. Also like, comment and share this video with your friends. The next thing, we split our data into two parts. We set X as the questions and Y as the answer. Think of it like a test. X is the question on the paper and Y is the correct answer key the bot needs to learn. Now pay close attention because this is the brain of our text processing. Let's understand the things line by line. First, we import the TF-IDF vectorizer from the scikit-learn library. This is our specialized tool for handling text. Then we create our vectorizer by writing vect equal to TF-IDF vectorizer. Think of this as initializing a translator that is ready to turn English into numbers. Then this is where the heavy lifting happens. X equal to vec.fit underscore transform does two things at once. It fits by learning all the unique words in our questions and it transforms them into a mathematical matrix that our AI can actually understand. Now that our data is in a number format, it's time to train the brain of our chatbot. We use the random forest algorithm. First, we import the random forest classifier from the ensemble module of the scikit-learn. We create our model by writing model equal to random forest classifier. Think of this as creating a blank brain that is ready to learn. This is the big movement. Model.fit is the actual training step. We are giving the model our question and the answer so it can find the patterns and learn which response belongs to which question. Okay, let's test the model. First, I will paste a question here. How can you define a custom data type in Python? Now, we can't just give this text to the model. We have to transform this question into a vector using vec.transform. This turns our new question into exact same number format the bot studied earlier. Finally, we use model.predict to get our answer. We add that little bracket of square at the end to grab the very first result from the prediction list. Let's see what it says. And for the final step, we use a print statement to display the bot response. When we run this, you can see the magic happens. The model takes the question, processes the math, and gives us the exact answer from our Gemini dataset. There we go, we have just built a machine learning chatbot from scratch. In this step, we are going to save our trained model and our vectorizer. First, we import Joblib. This is a powerful tool that helps us freeze our AI so we can use it later without retraining it. Next, we use joblib.com. We save our model as chatbot.joblib and our vectorizer as vectorizer.joblib. Now, these two files are ready to be moved into a real world web app. And that's it. Our AI chatbot is officially trained and set, but we aren't stopping at just code. In the next video, I will show you how to take these two files and build a professional Streamlit web app just like the ones I use for my AI text detector and vision projects. If you are excited for the part 2, make sure to subscribe to Suf Learning, hit the bell icon, and I will see you in the next one. Happy coding!